All right, it is 1 p.m. It's Friday, and well, end of the week recap. Basically, regular physics, as in college prep physics. You've been working on this little CER lab report, and well, there's nothing really much to add. So it's just if you go back to Wednesday, I kind of explained what to do. There's nothing really to add to that. So it's just yesterday and today and Wednesday was working on that, finishing it up and getting it into me. So if you've got questions, please throw them up there. I will gladly answer them. But otherwise, you can message me or whatever, remind me, and I will get to you. I will get to your question. I'll answer whatever you need. So look for feedback from me, and you could return it. You could get 100% on this. Just look for the feedback. And yeah. So I did put up next week's assignment already. So if you got a notification for that, that's what it's all about. This is going to be a 2-week assignment, and very similar to if you watch my other streams. I kind of talked about similar assignment and I'll talk more about this Monday. But bottom line is you're going to choose something that has to do with electromagnetism and do a little bit of research about it. So pretty straightforward. But we'll talk about that next Monday. On Monday, all right. So going on to honors physics, same thing. Well, not same thing, but we are doing the same thing as we have been. Today is part 5, one more question, and it's going to be following the same format as the other couple days. So, I mean, just to quickly recap, Monday you picked a question, did a little bit of answer a couple questions, did a tiny bit of research maybe. Tuesday, part 2 was a little bit of research, kind of initial investigation, finding some sources. Again, the whole idea, the whole like scientific method revolves around having evidence to support your claims. And so that's what all this is about, is doing a little bit of investigation. And for the subsequent couple days, we basically just had more deeper questions, and I provided some resources for you to answer those questions. So hopefully you've been keeping up with that. Next week is going to be basically when you're going to start to put together everything that you've been doing. You'll write a half a page to a page document following the guidelines that are on the instructions, and then you're going to submit that on Tuesday. So don't forget to do that. I, of course, will remind you next Monday to do that. So that's essentially it. Not much has been changing. This is pretty much par for the course. We're just kind of continuing on in all of our classes. And, like I said, if I reached out to you about how you're doing in class, then hopefully you're picking up the pace and getting on there. If you have any questions, hopefully I've been getting back to you with good speed, and just continue to send any questions my way. So hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Monday.